Hello everybody, it's 2022, and I hope you're excited because there's so many great things happening for this channel, for life in general. I hope you had a good, new year and a good all that. And here's to a whole new year of, hopefully a better year than they've been in the past. We can just hope. I just want to say, Happy New Year. It's good to see you. And go a little update, because it's the New Year's, and why not? It'll take me a little to get some more uploading again in January, because I want to just get a little bit ahead again, because, it can be a bit stressful in January to make videos. So I've got a bunch of video ideas I'm really excited about, and they will be coming up maybe in a few weeks, depending on when you're watching. So when is this video going up? Management! There are some really exciting videos coming up in the next few months. One I'm particularly excited about because I've been working on it for, 6 months. And you know how I said that my first chapters video was really epic? I'm working for 3 months. I'm like, yeah, let's go. This is the best video I've ever made. This video, I'm working for so long. Writing the scripts, filming, editing, hopefully it'll be up in the first few months of 2022. That is the plan. Should I reveal what it is? I'm not going to reveal it just yet. I'm not going to reveal what it is just yet. Close to the time, you'll know what it is. I am super excited to show you because I've been working on it for a while. I don't know if it'll get very many views, but I'm very proud of it anyway. So, that's one of the big videos coming out. We're also going to have another writing video coming up if you like that. And we're also going to do some different things, hopefully some more miniature things if you like that. And some miniature videos, and those are going to be some different miniature videos, some cool book videos I'm planning, all sorts of things that I'm working on. I'm also trying to make my videos better. I plan a little bit more instead of just going, oh, cool idea, sit down and film. I plan a little bit more so it's easier to edit and just make them better quality, not necessarily buying a bunch of stuff, but making the better quality. You see, I tried to just experiment with this video where I have some colored lighting. I got basically just 2 light bulbs that changed color, that's it. Nothing fancy. I just played some colored lighting. Let me know if you like this look. I kind of like it. I like this little setup I've made for myself here. It works pretty good. In 2022, I have a bunch of projects I want to do, and I'm really excited to show them to you. But I also just want to thank you for 2021, because I started my channel in 2021, and I'd like to thank you guys, because, I don't know, I just like books, and I like writing, I like art, I have all these little passions that I like, and I just want to, share them with people and talk, and make a discussion, And that's what this channel is, a way to talk about what we're interested in. And I love reading books and things like that. I just want to talk about that with you. So thank you for sticking with me. Here's to a whole new year of endless possibilities. I'll see you in the next one. Never stop reading.